Don't tell kids it's educational. This award-winning game gets kids physically active and learning to read, all while disguised as a treasure hunt adventure. It's easy to set up. Just hide the cards around your house and let your child follow the clues. Each clue will lead them to a new location where they'll find the next clue. If they get stuck, there's a picture helper to look up difficult words. It's so much fun, your child will be reading without even realizing it. There's 3 difficulty levels as their reading improves, and even write your own clue cards. When they reach the end, they'll find an exciting surprise of the parent's choice. Make learning to read active and fun with uKloo.